Good morning, girls. Welcome back to class 9 where we are learning science and technology, and our lesson is work and energy. So, in previous class, we have studied energy, and in this story, we will derive the expression of kinetic energy. So, let's see expression for kinetic energy. Suppose a stationary object of mass m moves because of an applied force. Let u be its initial velocity. Here u is equal to 0. Let the applied force be F. This generates an acceleration a in the object, and after time t, the velocity of the object becomes equal to v. The displacement during this time is s. The work done on the object W is equal to F into S. So according to Newton's second law of motion, we know that F is equal to m into A, equation number 1. Similarly, using Newton's second law equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. However, as initial velocity is 0, so u is equal to 0. So here we will put the value of u. So S is equal to u is 0, so 0 into t will become 0. So 0 plus half at square. S is equal to 0 plus half at square will become half at square. So this is equation number 2. So therefore W is equal to, we know that W is equal to F into S. So now we will put the value of F and S in this formula. So what will we get? W is equal to MA into half at square using equations 1 and 2. So multiply it. W is equal to half M in bracket 80 whole square. Here you can see a into a, so it will become a square, and t square is already there. So what will we do? In one bracket we will take 80 and we will give whole square. This is equation number 3. So using Newton's first equation of motion, we have learned in the first lesson, that is laws of motion, that is V is equal to u plus at. Again we will put the value of u. So what will we get here? V is equal to 0 plus at. So what will we get then next? V is equal to 80. Now what are we doing here? We are just squaring the equation. So what will we get? V square is equal to whole 80 square. This is equation number 4. So what will we get? W is equal to half mv square. As we have the equation W is equal to half 80 whole square. So now we have the value of 80 square is V square in equation number 4. So using equations 3 and 4, what will we get? W is equal to half mv square. The kinetic energy gained by an object is the amount of work done on the object. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to W, and therefore kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. This is very important formula. Note down it and learn it and never forget it. So now we will solve one example based on this formula, based on the kinetic energy, expression of kinetic energy. What it says: a stone having a mass of 250 gram is falling from a height. How much kinetic energy does it have at the moment when its velocity is 2 meter per second? So here what we have given, m is equal to 250 gram. So what will we do? We will convert it into kilogram. So it will become 0.25 kg. We know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So using that formula, 250 gram will be 0.25 kg. And we have given V is equal to 2 meter per second. And we have the formula of kinetic energy, which is half mv square. Now what will we do? Put the values. So what will we get? Half into 0.25 into 2 square. So 2 square is 4. 0.25 into 4. So do the multiplication and division, you will get the answer, that is 0.5 joule. So in this way you have to solve this example. So this is homework for you. You have to note down the expression of kinetic energy and also this example. And also here one question, use your brain power. If the mass of a moving body is doubled, how many times will the kinetic energy increase? Think about it and find out the answer. See you at next video. Thank you.